midlife crisis in this way.
Which midlife crisis?
I got about a dozen different variations of midlife crisis.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Well, watch out because you're being on tape now.
It's not actually tape in there. I don't know what it is, but it's not a tape.
Well, it's being recorded. Yeah, would you like to speak about that now?
Not really, no.
Okay.
I'll give you a slap on the ass.
No, please. I want to use this for something, so watch your language. So this is a Coney Island boardwalk, walking towards Stillwell Avenue. The site of the annual polar bear plunge. They are raising money for Camp Sunshine.
You would be a real riot in the reporting as a war journalist. Let's see. People are shooting at each other.
Please do not make. We are not talking about
guns. But I don't know what
just
type
because
of guns they are.
No.
Listen, there should not be wars in this world.
That's true. That's true, but I did have a vodka.
That's all you need to know. You don't need any journalists reporting.
If you don't have wars, that's true. But what about the polar bear Coney Island plunge into the water to raise money for Camp Sunshine? What about that?
We should have that.
Does that need to be reported?
No, we should have that.
You see?